Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Coffee Mate Nestle using an easy method. First, let's gather everything we need for this simple process. You'll want your preferred Coffee Mate creamer, your favorite coffee, a clean mug, and a spoon. Make sure your coffee maker is set up and ready to brew a fresh cup. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your perfect coffee experience, setting the stage for a delightful beverage. Now that you have your supplies ready, it's time to brew your coffee. Follow your coffee maker's instructions precisely for the best results and flavor. Whether you like it strong or mild, brew it to your personal preference. A typical serving size is about 8 ounces, but feel free to adjust for your mug size. Freshly brewed coffee is truly the foundation for a delicious, creamy drink. Once your coffee is brewed, carefully pour the hot liquid into your mug. Now for the star of the show, your Coffee Mate creamer. Start by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons. This is a good starting point, but remember, you can always add more to achieve your desired level of creaminess and sweetness. Stir it gently to ensure it's fully mixed and ready for the next step. With the Coffee Mate in your mug, it's important to stir thoroughly until the creamer is completely dissolved. This ensures every single sip is consistently creamy and delicious, without any lumps. Take a moment to savor the wonderful aroma. Now, your perfectly customized, easy-to-make Coffee Mate Nestle coffee is ready to enjoy. Cheers to a delightful and satisfying coffee break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.